Today I'm gonna take you through a recipe from makegood.ca. Do you like cheese? Do you like bacon? Let's be honest with ourselves. The answer is yes. A soft, pillowy, pull-apart bread filled with cheese, bacon, chives, garlic, and lots of butter. Is your mouth watering? Yeah, it is. All right, let's get this one going. This dough contains milk and an egg, which makes it an enriched dough. Once you've mixed and kneaded your dough, let it rest and then work on your garlic butter mixture. Divide your dough into 24 pieces and then dip each one in garlic butter. Layer them in the pan with cheese and bacon. Now it's time to let your dough rise. Make sure your dough is in a warm, draft-free place. One trick that I do at home is to microwave a cup of water for 1 minute, wait a minute, and then put my dough in the microwave, which is turned off at this point, to let it rise in there. Yeasted dough loves humidity, and you'll know that it's risen enough when it's doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, bake it until the rolls are golden brown. Well, take a look at that. Cheesy, garlicky, bacony goodness from your oven to your mouth. Visit makegood.ca for the full recipe. Let's bake some bread.